Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will teach you how to record computer screen using different options. Chapter 1. How to record computer screen from Xbox Game Bar. To get started, we'll talk about the Xbox Game Bar's built-in Windows utility. To do this, first you will click on the Start menu, and in the results you will click on Settings. Then you will click on Games. Once there, you will click on Xbox Game Bar, and then you will activate the switch Open Xbox Game Bar using this button on a controller. To use this Xbox bar simply on your keyboard, you are going to use the Windows keys plus G. All tool options will open. Ali, you must click on the option to record to be able to start recording in Windows. Chapter 2. How to record computer screen using Filmora. Filmora is a complete application to record screen and in addition to other options. To install the program, go to the link that we leave you in the video link and there download Filmora. Then you are going to click on the executable that you have downloaded. You must accept the permission in the window that is displayed. Next, you are going to click on the Install button for the installation process of Filmora on your PC to begin. Wait for the installation to finish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When the process is finished, you will click on the Start Now button. Afterward, you are going to wait for a while for Filmora to start on Windows. In the window that opens, you will click on New Project. To record our PC screen, we are going to go to the File menu, and then you are going to click on Record Project. Finally, you should select the Record PC Screen option. In this new window, you can define what parameters of the screen record as if you want to record the sound and microphone. In addition to these options, you can click on Settings and there have access to a series of additional configuration options. To record the screen, you are going to click on the record icon and the process will start. To stop recording, you can use the F9 key or click on the icon in the taskbar selecting the option Quit Recording. If you go back to Filmora, we will see our recording. There we can drag it to the transition window to see how the recording was. On the side, we will have a series of options to edit our recording if necessary. Chapter 3. How to record computer screen using OBS. To install OBS, go to the official site that you have in description and download the program. Once the download is complete, run the file. You must accept the permissions in the window that opens. Complete the OBS installation process by following the steps in the wizard. Now you are going to click on the Finish button and we will automatically see that OBS opens. Define the type of installation as well as the parameters you want for the recording. Once this is defined in the section called Sources, you will click on the plus sign. There you will click on Screenshot. Assigns the desired name to that capture. You can define the parameters to use in the recording of both the screen and the method to use. To record your PC screen, you are going to click on the Start Recording button and you can record whatever you want. To stop recording, you can press the F9 key or open OBS and click on the Stop Recording button. To access the recordings made, we will go to the File menu, and then you will click on Show Recordings. The system library will open with the respective recordings made. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.